Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature in WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro version 8.2, XLSX, Import and Export. This has been one of our most requested features, and we're thrilled to bring it to you. Now, you can import and export Excel files directly without converting them to CSV. Also, in this update, we've added category-based import and update, allowing you to filter and update data by category. Check the video link in the description to learn how it works. Now, let's get started with importing and exporting Excel files in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Move to the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin page on your dashboard. It'll take you to the Import/Update section. Here we will need to upload our prepared Excel file. This is the Excel file I have prepared for products. I have added some necessary fields. Let's upload this file to the plugin. You can use any of these file upload options, like FTP/SFTP, from URL. Here you can provide Google Sheet or Dropbox URL. And choose File and Server. Now let's just upload from desktop. You can see the post type is automatically selected. You can choose it using the drop-down. I let the fresh import selected as we are adding new entries. Let's create new mapping. Start to map all your Excel file fields with WordPress fields using the drop-down or drag-and-drop method. Once mapped, save it with a name and click Continue. Here configure media upload settings if you need. Also configure import settings like rollback, maintenance, duplicate records handling, and the new category-based filters. You can check the link in description to learn more about this feature. You can also configure schedule option in Pro. Now let's just hit import. The data will be imported. You can see the import completed pop-up message. You can download the import log to check the record status. It'll be like this. Or you can just directly visit the post type and check the records one by one. Now let's see how can export any WordPress data to Excel. Visit the Export tab in the plugin. Choose a post type. I choose WooCommerce products. Provide a file name, and here you need to choose the export file type as XLSX or Excel. You can apply split records, but now I don't need it as I have fewer records only. You can apply filters if you need it. Now just hit export. The file will be prepared to download. Click download. It'll be saved to your local. Let's open and view it. All the data has been exported in the Excel file. That's it. WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro version 8.2 now makes working with Excel files super easy. Try this feature today and let us know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out our new category-based import and update feature, link in the description. Like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!